Welcome to the course wrap-up video. Congratulations! By completing this course, you've built a strong foundation in digital marketing, an essential skill for today's fast-paced digital world. With the knowledge and skills you've gained, you are now well prepared to explore exciting opportunities across the digital marketing landscape, whether you aim to work in an organization, run your own business, or freelance. Before moving forward, let's take a moment to review the key concepts covered in this course. You began by exploring the fundamentals of digital marketing, understanding its core concepts and how it differs from traditional marketing. You learned why digital marketing is critical for business success today and how it continues to grow and create new opportunities for individuals and organizations alike. We emphasize the importance of building a digital strategy that aligns marketing efforts with broader business goals. You gained practical insights into the key components that make a digital strategy effective, from channel selection to the role of analytics. You then looked into digital marketing channels and audiences. We discussed the power of organic channels, such as SEO and social media, as well as paid channels like PPC and display advertising. You explored how to align channel strategies with business objectives and how to use email marketing effectively to engage and retain audiences. Understanding your audience is crucial for success. You learned how demographic and psychographic profiling shapes digital marketing strategies and how to collect and analyze audience data to create targeted and personalized campaigns. You also learned about digital marketing metrics and analytics. You now know how to track key performance indicators such as traffic, conversions, engagement, and ROI using tools like Google Analytics and social media dashboards. You practice analyzing performance data to extract actionable insights and optimize marketing campaigns. You also explored career prospects in digital marketing, from entry-level roles to freelance and small business opportunities. You discovered how the industry is evolving and what future trends are shaping the digital marketing landscape, preparing you for long-term success. Through the activities such as hands-on labs, quizzes, and the final project, you've built not only theoretical knowledge but also practical skills to apply digital marketing concepts in real-world scenarios. Thank you for sharing this learning journey with us. As a next step, we encourage you to continue building on your skills by exploring more advanced courses in digital marketing and analytics. We wish you all the best in your digital marketing career. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making an impact.